California Homeowner Bill of Rights. Looking for short sale information? You've come to the right place. Mike Rigley, Certified Default Advocate, distressed property expert, and your short sale specialist here. Thanks for joining us. Today, let's talk about the legislation recently passed by the California Senate and Assembly, sponsored by California Attorney General Kamala Harris. It's called the Foreclosure Reduction Act and the Due Process Rights Act. They were both passed by both houses and sent to Governor Brown, where he's expected to sign them into law. If signed, both would take effect January 1st, 2013. So let's first talk about the Foreclosure Reduction Act. It would prevent what is referred to as dual tracking in a loan mod or a short sale. Dual tracking is where a borrower is working on a short sale or a loan modification or other type remedy to their mortgage, and at the same time the servicer and investor are pursuing foreclosure. All too many times this has truly happened, where a homeowner thought they were working on a loan mod, get their letter declining a loan mod today, and the house goes to auction tomorrow. This law would prevent that kind of action, and truly it should. Now, the Due Process Rights Act will require the lender or servicer to have one person or team for a single point of contact, meaning the borrower calling in can follow up on their loan and would always speak to the same person or a member of that team. In the anticipation is to get a whole lot less runaround. Now when you call in on your file on a loan mod, you never know who you're going to get, and none of them really know what's going on with the file. Now, while these may sound great, and I agree, if used properly will be a good thing, there are always those who will try to game the system. To stall an auction date, a borrower with no intention of getting a loan mod or short sale could start their short sale 2-3 days before the auction date. The lender would not be able to file that foreclosure if that wasn't happening. Now, the new bill also allows for a borrower to file a lawsuit against the bank, and if nothing else, they would get their attorney fees paid. Imagine what will happen with the trial attorneys if this goes through. So there's a couple things that are not so hot about this bill, some that are really good. You know, it's a start, and something needed to happen. So those who say that the law will make mortgages tougher to get and freeze up the housing market and delay it. We're hoping that's not the thing that happens. Only time will tell, and naturally we'll keep you updated. Now, to get a better idea of when your home is worth what you owe, log on to www.shortsaleandloanmod.info. You'll get a free estimate, or you can give me a call for a free, no obligation consultation. We'd be glad to talk to you. So, give me a call today, sleep better tonight, and you'll be glad you did. And thanks for joining us.